Hello everyone, today we are going to start exercise 16.2 that we have to find out a digit that should be in the number to get the whole number divisible by 3 and 9. You know that the number is divisible by 3 if the sum of the digits is a multiple of 3, and if the sum of the digits is multiple of 9, then it is divisible by 3 and 9 both, right? So let us check first question. So let we have first question 2 1 by 5. So we have to find out the value of this variable y so that the whole number is divisible by 9, where y is a digit. A single digit means a number that is 0 to 9. What is the value of y? Okay, let us start. So at first we will find the sum of the digits, that is 2 plus 1 plus y plus 5. It is we will add the numbers. 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 5 is 8, and y is the variable, so you can add like plus y. So this 8 plus y must be the multiple of 9, right? So let us put it to multiple of 9, that is 8 plus y equal to 9. At first we will take, then y equal to 9 minus 8. So the value of y will be 1. Then the number formed is 2 1 1 5, right? Now take the second possibility, when the 8 plus y is equal to multiple of 9, that is second multiple is 18. So y is equal to 18 minus 8, that is 10. This is two digit number, so this is not possible, and further on all will be not possible, because next all will be the two digit number. So we have to take only a digit, means one digit. So the value of y will be 1, right? So let us start. Next question is the same thing, you can do by yourself. Third question. Okay, here you can see there can be possible two answers. Yes, it can be possible. Let us do. So second question we are doing 3 plus 1 plus z plus 5. So you can see the sum of the digit is 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 5 is 9. So 9 plus z. So 9 plus z must be the multiple of 9, because we are going to check the divisibility of 9 to find the value of z. So 9 plus z we will take to 9, so it is the first multiple, and also 9 plus z will be equal to 18, and then 27, and then 36, and then so many numbers you can try here. So z is equal to 9 minus 9, so z is 0. Yes, it can be possible, so value of z can be 0. Now z is equal to here 18 minus 9, that is equal to z equal to 9. So yes, it can be possible 9 also. So there are two answers. So z can be 0 and z can be 9. So the number formed is now 3 1 0 5 and 3 1 9 5. Okay, both are divisible by 9. Let us come to the third question. Here we have to check the divisibility of 3 and find the value of x. 2 plus 4 plus x, the sum of the digits equal to 6 plus x, and this 6 plus x must be the multiple of 3. So we will take 6 plus x equal to 3, and x is equal to 3 minus 6, that is equal to minus 3. So negative value is not possible, because we have to put, because it is a positive number, so the digit must be positive, so this case will not be taken. Now take the next case. 6 plus x is equal to, the second multiple is 6, so x equal to 6 minus 6, that is equal to 0. So yes, it is possible. So the value of x, one value of the x is 0. So let us check the next value here. 6 plus x will be equal to the third multiple, that is 9, and x is equal to 9 minus 6, that is equal to 3. 3 is always also a positive digit and single digit, so it is possible. So the second value of the x will be 3. First was 0, second was 3. right? So let us come to the third chance. 6 plus x is equal to the fourth multiple, I'm taking 12, and x is equal to 12 minus 6, right? And x is equal to 6. 6 is positive single digit, so value of x can be 6 also, right? Now let us check the next possibility, that is 6 plus x is equal to 15, and now x is equal to 15 minus 6, that is equal to 9. So 9 is also a positive single digit, so value of x 9 can also be possible. So let us check the next possibility, x plus 6 is equal to, now we are taking 18, sixth chance. So x is equal to 18 minus 6 equal to, that is 12. So 12 is not a single digit number, so this is not possible, and further on all values we will get in 2 digits. So the value of x can be possible are, we got 0, 3, 6 and 9, all can be possible, right? So the numbers so formed is 240, 243 and 246, 249, right? All are divisible by 3. Next is also the same divisibility of 3, so we will find the sum of digits, okay, and this will equal to 5. 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 5 is 9 plus z. So this 9 plus z must be the multiple of 3. So if you put it equal to 9 plus z equal to 3, it will be a negative number, so you will reject. So at least you will start from 9, and z is equal to 9 minus 9, that is 9, z is equal to 0. So the value of z is 0. Take the next possibility, 9 plus z equal to 12, then z equal to 12 minus 9, that is 3. So it can also be possible, z value of z is 3. Now let us take the next value, 9 plus z equal to 15, then z is equal to 15 minus 9, that is 6. So it can also be positive single number, so it is possible, value of z. Then 9 plus z equal to let me take 18, then z is equal to 18 minus 9 is 9, so it is also a single positive number, so it is the value of z can be possible. Let us take the other values. So 9 plus z equal to 21, so z is equal to 21 minus 9, so 11 minus 9 is 2, so it is a 2 digit number, so the further values are not possible. So you can write the possible value of z here, that is 0, yes, then 3 and 6, right? So you can write the possible values. So that's all for today.